All right, who's ready to check out a lakefront home here in Pottsboro, Texas? Stick around. Hey, thanks for sticking around today. I'm out here at 76 Daniel Lane, Pottsboro, Texas, where we're checking out this awesome lakefront home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 2,400 square feet. But man, the outdoor living in this one, the views are awesome. Let's go check it out. I'm telling you, this property is rare. You don't see a property like this very often that you can just walk right down from the house, right to the beach, and jump right in the water here on Lake Texoma. I mean, this place is awesome. How about that place, right? Hey, there's people who talk about living on Lake Texoma, then there's people that live at 76 Daniel Lane here in Pottsboro, Texas. Anyway, this is a beautiful lakefront home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 2,400 square foot home. And then you got that guest house right there. Hey, keep in mind, there's also another property next door to this that's also available. I'm gonna link everything below if you wanna schedule a viewing. I know we didn't get to see inside of that guest house today, but schedule an appointment, we can go check that one out too. All right, thanks for hanging out. I'll see you next time.